Now we are going to discuss on the basics of biomechanics. The first topic which I am going to put up is the lever system in the biomechanics. Before going forward, first of all we have to define a lever and a lever system. So here comes the classification of lever system. These are categorized in 3 classes, or you can say the types of lever system. Class 1, type 1 lever system. The second is class 2 or type 2 lever system, and the third is class 3 or type 3 lever system. So designing of the lever system is on the basis of the fulcrum, the effort arm, resistance arm. So I want to tell you about the fulcrum, the effort arm, and the resistance arm. For a lever system, the arrangement is there must be a fulcrum which is placed in between the joint. There is a resistance force, there is effort force. The moment arm which is calculated from the resistance force up to the fulcrum is the resistance arm, and the moment arm which is calculated between the fulcrum and the effort force is the effort arm, or you can donate it by EARA as well in short forms. Now I am describing about the definitions of effort force and the resistance force. First is the effort force. The force that is producing the resultant torque, the force acting in the direction of rotation. If you will see a typical lever system, here is the fulcrum, here is the effort force, and here is the resistance force. If you are applying a force which is in the downward direction, so this resistance force, it will be keeping in the opposite direction to that of the effort force. So effort force is the force in which you have to apply the force in the direction of it. Then comes the resistance force, the force that must be creating an opposing torque. As I had explained you that if you are giving a force in downward direction to the effort force, and there is an opposing force which is created at the resistance force. So this is your effort arm and this will be your resistance arm. One more important thing that you have to notice is the effort force is always a winner, or resistance force is always the loser for producing rotation of the segment. This will be clearly understood when we will classify the lever system according to their types.